In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a CMS collection in Webflow. Start by opening the Webflow dashboard. Once you're there, find your site, hover over it, and click Open in Webflow. Wait for the designer to finish loading before you move on. Now go to the left toolbar and click the CMS icon. In the panel that opens, click Create a Collection. The CMS panel slides open on the left and shows an empty state with a Create a Collection button. In the collection name field, type your plural content name. As you enter it, Webflow automatically fills in the plural version and the singular version underneath. Check that both of those populate correctly. Then look at the collection URL field. Webflow also fills this in automatically as the slug. Leave the collection URL exactly as it is. Next, scroll down to Add New Field. Click Image. In the field editor, click into the label field and type the name you want to use for this image field. Then find the setting labeled "This field is required" and toggle it on so every post needs a cover image. After that, click Save Field. Back in the collection setup, click Add New Field again. This time, choose Rich Text. Click into the field label area and type the label for this field. Then go to the help text box and type a short hint. This help text appears as guidance for this field, so enter the short hint carefully and let it finish on screen. When that's done, click Save Field. Now click Add New Field again and choose Date/Time. In the field label area, type the label you want for the date field. Once the label is entered, click Save Field. Click Add New Field one more time and choose Switch. In the field label area, type the label for the switch field. When the label is in place, click Save Field. At this point, your field list should show all of the new fields you added. These fields form the structured template that your collection items will follow. Now go to the top right corner and click Create Collection. Webflow closes the setup dialog and opens the collection's item list, which is currently empty. In the top right of the item list, click New Blog Post. This opens the item editor for your first entry. In the name field, type a sample post title. Enter the full title naturally and give it a moment to appear completely in the field. Next, click the cover image placeholder. Then click Upload and upload your file. Once the image is uploaded, move to the post body field. Click into the rich text area and type a short paragraph. Enter the paragraph fully so the content is visible inside the editor. After that, click the Publish Date field. A calendar opens. Pick today's date from the calendar. Now find the featured switch and toggle it on. Once all of those fields are filled in, go to the top right of the item editor and click Create. You should now see a blog post collection in the CMS panel with one item listed. The item is named Hello Webflow CMS and appears in green as a draft or staged item. It uses the exact fields you defined, which confirms that your structured template is now in place and ready to bind to pages. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. From here, the collection has been created, the custom fields have been added, and the first item has been entered using that structure. You open the dashboard, launched the designer, created a new collection, confirmed the auto-filled plural, singular, and collection URL fields, then added an image field, a rich text field with help text, aid/time field, and a switch field. After creating the collection, you opened the empty item list, created a new blog post, entered a title, uploaded a cover image, typed a short paragraph into the post body, selected today's date, turned on featured, and created the item. The result is a working CMS collection set up exactly around the fields you defined, with one sample item already inside it.